Good morning. This is English video session for class 6. We are dealing with the book Honeysuckle, and the topic which we are studying now is a different kind of school. What is this different kind of school? Did you understand? Are you able to understand in what way they are different? Yes, it is Miss Beam's school. This Miss Beam's school, everything they are not very much concerned about again writing, test. No, that is a different which teaches on what? Yes, they have to think about responsible citizens, thoughtfulness, and to be a responsible citizens of the country. That is what is their main intention of bringing the children. Did you understand, children, how Miss Beam's school is going on? See, she says that there are only simple addition, subtraction, simple spellings, addition, subtraction, multiplying, writing. Also, there is also interesting talks. The teachers gives interesting talks. So through talks they are teaching everything. Okay. And what should the children do? Only to listen. So what is listening? Very less? Not at all. When you listen, you are taking all the things into your mind. It is so very important exercise. Just simply sitting is different. Absorbing all is called listening. Okay. So these children listen to each and every word the teacher teaches and how well they can perform. Okay. So there was nothing difficult for them to do. Okay. Now what happened? The real aim of the school is not so much to teach as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, and being responsible citizen. Look at the way the school's aim is. What is the aim of Sainik School? It is to enable, help, guide towards the cadets towards the armed forces. Yes, they will be going to the NDA and then they will be joining as leaders in armed forces. Very good. So each school has a different aim. Yes, exactly. And what is the aim of this school? This school is to teach what? Thoughtfulness and being kind to others. Is that clear to you? The main intention is only to be kind to others, thoughtfulness and being kind to others. Okay, now look out of the window, will you? So Miss Beam's asking, can you go to the window and can you have a look at those people, what the children are doing? Yes, the author just gets up, goes near the window, and what does he see? He sees a large garden. What does he see? He sees a large garden and he sees a playground. Okay. Yes. What do you see? Miss Beams asked. Okay. She's asking, do you see something? What do you see? Okay, children. Now remember, the word that is put in the side is for the meanings. Responsible. What is the meaning of responsible? You have certain duties and you have to know those duties and carry on with the duties. Is that clear? Whenever you have a duty, you have to carry on, aware of it, and if whatever be the duty, you should know. That is called responsibility. Knowing the duty and not doing it is called irresponsible. What is it called? Irresponsible. A responsible citizen means what? You should know what is your duty as a citizen of the country. The word is responsible. Aware of the duties. What is the real meaning of responsible? Aware of the duties. What are the duties of the student? To listen to the parents, to listen to the teachers, to be a good child, to do the studies properly, not to waste away and while away the time. There are some duties that are given to the students, that as a son, as a student, they have given responsibilities and one has to do it. If they are to write the question and answer, they have to. That is a responsible child. You cannot get away from the responsibility. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's go. I see some beautiful grounds. I see a lot of jolly children. It pains to me. He sees quite children. The children playing in the garden is a very beautiful sight, is it not? Jolly. What is the meaning of jolly? Happiness. Joyful. They are very happy to play there, is it not? Yes. It pains though to see that they are not so healthy. Not all so healthy and active looking. So, how do you determine a children active and they are healthy? If they are all playing. But here we find some children not playing, not healthy, their eyes are tired and some are with crutch. Yes, yes. When I came inside, I saw a poor little girl being led about. So he says that I saw a small girl, she is led by another boy, she is having some trouble in the eyes. And now I can see two more with the same difficulty. Some more children are having eye trouble. And there was a girl with a crutch, a support to walk. Okay, crutch is a support to walk. Watching the others play. She is not able to play. Why? Because she has a cripple. She is not able to walk. She is not having the strength to walk. Her legs are crippled. Okay, this is what she says. See here. Yes, at play, hopeless. There is no hope of her being recovered. Okay, now I'll read. Can you continue with me? Yes. I see some beautiful grounds. I said. Continue, repeat after me. And a lot of jolly children. It pains me, though, to see that they are not so healthy and active looking. When I came in, I saw one poor little girl being led about. She had some trouble with her eyes. Now I can see two more with the same difficulty. And there is a girl with a crutch watching others at play. She seems to be a hopeless cripple. Okay, did you get it, children? Shall we go to the next paragraph? Yes, did you understand all the things that are mentioned here? Okay. Miss Beams laughed. Oh no, she said. She is not really lame. This is only her lame day. The others are not either blind either. It is only their blind day. This is a joke. What is this happening? Lame day, blind day, deaf day. What is this? You have school day, you have sports day, you have basketball games day, you have teachers day. But here is a school which has lame day, her lame day, blind day. Quite surprising, don't you feel so? Yes, have you seen any school school like this? Yes. So it is the child. She is wondering, what is this? The author is wondering. Now you understood, children, what is the name of this lesson? A different kind of school. Now you understood why the thing is, it is a different kind of school. That is why it is like this. You got the point? Yes. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said, it's not, she's not really lame. This is only her lame day, and the others are not blind either. It's only their blind day. I must have looked very surprised. What is surprised? Surprised? Shocked? Oh, that's it, with lot of amazement. And she laughed again. Okay.